Okay, so let us continue our solution to our example number 2, about volume of solid of revolution. So ating problem revolved about the line y equals 2, the quadrant 1 area bounded by the graphs of y equals 0, y squared equals x, and y equals x minus 2. And find the volume of solid generated. So in our previous video, so dinrawing natin yung solid natin. Ito yung naging itsura ng solid natin, Nagyari, ginamitan natin ng Wasser method yung ating solution, para sa ating volume. At meron tayong hati sa ating solid, Yung unang hati from 0 to 2, tinawag nating volume 1. At yung from 2 to 4, tinawag nating volume 2. And in our last video, ang naging volume natin, ang volume 1, ay nakakuha tayo ng sagot na 16 square root of 2 over 3 minus 2 times pi cubic units. So ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin, solve naman natin ngayon yung volume 2. Pagkayari noon, para makuha natin yung total volume equals volume 1 plus volume 2. Okay, so punta na tayo ngayon sa volume 2. So dito sa volume 2, mag-drawing din tayo ng ating representative slice, representative natin, washer. Dahil ang bawat slice natin, makakabuo tayo ng washer, So dito tayo mag-drawing sa lugar na ito ng isang washer, Okay? Kaya rin noon, sa labas natin ng solid drawing yung magiging washer natin, So pagka pin-project natin ito sa labas, okay, so yung maging itsura niya, So yung line na ito, yung vertical line na yan, pag inikot natin siya sa line na y equals 2, ayun yung kanyang magiging itsura. So isa siyang washer, Isa siyang washer. Kaya ilagay natin yung mga detalye ng ating washer, So Okay? So, ito yung tapat na ito. Ito yung line na y equals 2. Ano? Ito tapat na ito, yung kulay blue. Ito, yung tapat na yan. So, the y equals 2. Ito naman, yung ating x-axis. Ano? Ito. X-axis to. Yan. Yan yung x-axis. Itong y equals 2, ito yung x-axis. Kaya yung distance na ere, no? Itong distance na ito ay equal siya sa 2 units, ano? Ito ay equal sa 2 units. Yan, 2 units. Ngayon, ito yung ating capital R, no? Yung outer radius natin, ano? Itong distance na ito. So, magbuhat doon hanggang dito, ito yung ating capital R, no? Tawagin natin siyang R sub 2, no? Yan. Ngayon, ring distance naman na ere, no? Ito. Tawagin natin siyang y low, no? So, yung y low na yan, i-ring distance na ito, no? Magbuhat dito hanggang sa x-axis, no? Yan. Ito. Buhat dito hanggang doon, no? So, siya ay y low. Yung y low na yan, ang nagde-define ay itong line na ito, no? Yung y low na yan. Yung y low na yan, ang nagde-define ay itong line na ito. So, yung y low equals x minus 2, no? So, y low equals x minus 2. So, therefore, no? Kung ito ay 2 at ito ay y low, therefore, our R2 equals 2 minus y low, no? So, sulat ko rito, no? R2 natin. Ang R2 natin equals 2 minus y low, no? So, R2 equals 2 minus y low. 2 minus y low. At equal siya sa x minus 2, no? X minus 2. Yan. So, yun yung ating R sub 2. Outer radius 2, capital R. Oh. Next, what is small r? Oh. What is small r? So, yung small r natin ay itong distance na ito, no? Yan. Yung distance na yun, yung atin ng small r, no? Inner radius or small r. Yan. So, yun namang distance na yun, buhat dito hanggang dito, ito naman ay y high, no? Y high. At yung y high na yan, magbuhat dito sa point na ito hanggang dito sa x-axis, ano? So, y high yan, y high. Y high. At ang nagde-define ng y high ay yung parabola, ano? Y high. So, y high equals x raised to 1/2. So, kung ito yung 2 at ito ay y high, so ito yung ating small r, ano? Itong distance na ito, yun. Small r. So, therefore, our small r is 2 minus y high. So, yung small r naman natin, 2 minus y high. No? Outer radius 2 equals 2 minus y high, no? Or outer radius 2 minus y high. At ang y high natin, x raised to 1/2, ano? X raised to 1/2. Okay. So, ayan ngayon yung ating outer radius, number 2, tapos inner radius 2, no? Ang thickness niya, the same thickness, ano, dx pa rin dahil perpendicular tayo sa x-axis. So, thickness natin, still dx, ano? Thickness equals dx. Okay. So, by Wasser method ulit, ano? By Wasser method. By Wasser method. So, dv2, no, equals pi, and then times r sub 2 squared minus small r sub 2 squared, and then times the thickness. No? Kaya rin, integrate natin both sides. So, v2 will become pi integral. Oh, from A2 to B2 of r sub 2 squared minus r sub 2 squared, and then times the thickness dx. Dx. Yan. So, ngayon, ano ang ating a sub 2? No. So, yung a sub 2 natin, ang simula ng pagsasama-sama ng volume ng bawat washer natin ay magsisimula tayo rito sa x equals 2. No, dahil ang cut natin ganito ang cut natin, ano, perpendicular sa axis of rotation. Hanggang x equals 4, hanggang sa dulo ng ating solid. Ano yun? Kaya yung a sub 2 natin equals 2. No? At ang b sub 2 natin equals 4. No? So, ulitin ko, ha. So, ang cut natin, ang volume 2 natin ay magsisimula dito sa red line na ito, no? X equals 2. Dahil ang slice natin ay perpendicular sa axis of rotation. So, hanggang makarating tayo sa line na x equals 4. Kaya, a sub 2 natin 2, b sub 2 natin 4. Oh, yan. At ang thickness natin ay dx. Oh. So, thickness equals dx. Okay. So, substitute natin sa ating formula yung ating mga values natin ng r sub 2, outer radius 2, inner radius 2, ang ating limits, a sub 2, b sub 2, at saka yung thickness. Ano? Nagkakaroon tayo ng volume 2, no? Equals pi. So, a sub 2 natin equals siya sa 2. B sub 2 natin equals siya sa 4. And then times, ano? R sub 2. So, our R sub 2 is 2 minus x minus 2. So 2 and then minus x minus 2 and then squared. And then minus r sub 2 squared. So small r sub 2. 2 minus x raised to 1/2. So 2 minus x raised to 1/2 and then squared, and then times the thickness dx. Now times the thickness dx, and then let us simplify the integrand. So meron tayong pi from 0 to 2. So 2 minus x, and then this one is negative times negative 2, positive 2, no? And then plus 2 magiging 4. 4 minus x, and then quantity squared. And then minus, and then 2, and then minus x raised to 1/2. Ano, rewrite lang natin to. and then times dx. Tapos na-expand natin yung ating integral. Ano? So, volume 2 equals, ano? So, pi. Integral from 2 to 4. Sorry, this must be 2 to 4, ano? 2 to 4, not 0 to 2, no? So, this must be from 2 to 4. So, burahin natin to, no? This must be 2, and then this one must be 4. No? From 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Yan. So, 4 minus x, then quantity squared. So, pag in-expand natin yon, magkakaroon tayo ng 16, and then minus 8x, and then plus x squared, and then minus, ito naman, pag in-expand natin, magkakaroon tayo ng 4, and then minus 4x raised to 1/2, and then plus x, and then times dx. Okay? Let us combine similar terms. So, magkakaroon tayo ng pi from 2 to 4. So, we'll have 16 minus 8x, and then plus x squared, so negative 4, and then minus minus is plus 4x raised to 1/2, and then minus x, and then dx. So we'll have pi from 2 to 4. So 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 4 equals 12. So 12, and then negative 8x, and then minus x, negative 9x, and then plus x squared, and then plus 4x raised to 1/2, plus 4x raised to 1/2 dx. Kaya rin integrate na natin, ano? So, kakaroon tayo ng, pag integrate natin, we'll have pi, no? Integral of 12 dx equals 12x. And then integral of 9x dx, 9x squared over 2. 9x squared over 2. Integral of x squared dx, x cubed over 3. And then integral of 4x raised to 1/2 dx, magiging x raised to 3 over 2, and then times 2/3. And then from 2 to 4. From 2 to 4. Tapos na, i-evaluate natin from 2 to 4. So now when x is 4, so magkakaroon tayo ng pi, and then 12 times 4, and then minus 9 over 2 times 4 squared, and then plus 4 cubed over 3, and then plus kaya rin naman 4 times 2/3, 8 over 3. 8 over 3. And then when x is 4, so yung 4 papalitan natin ng 2 squared. So yung 4 na yon equal din siya sa 2 squared. And then raised to 3 over 2. And then minus. When x is positive, 2 naman tayo. So 12 times 2, 12 times 2. So 12 times 2. And then, when x is 2, no? So, I'll have 9 over 2, and then times 2 squared. And then, plus, no? When x is 2, so, karoon tayo ng 2 cubed over 3. 2 cubed over 3. And then, plus 8 over 3, no, 8 over 3. And then when x is 2, 2 raised to 3 over 2, no, 2 raised to 3 over 2. So, thousands, i-simplify natin, ano? Simplify natin to. So, 12 times 4 equals siya sa 48. So, meron tayong pi 48. And then, 4 squared, 16 divided by 2, 8 times 9, 72. So, minus 72. And then, plus 4 cubed, 64 over 3, you know. 64 over 3. And then, plus, so ito naman, so, cancel 2, no? 2 squared, tapos meron tayong raised to 3 over 2. So, dito, cancel yung 2, no? Ito. Cancel yung 2. So, may tira, 2 raised to 3. And 2 raised to 3, 8, no? Times 8, 64 over 3, no? So, plus 64 over 3 din. Okay? And then, minus, no? So, dugtong na natin ito, no? Meron tayong 12 times 2, so that's 24. And then, 2 squared, 4 divided by 2 ay 2 times 9, 18. No? So, minus 18. And then, plus 8 over 3. 2 cubed divided by 3. So, that's 8 over 3. No? 8 over 3. And then, plus, no? So, 2 raised to 3 over 2, 2 square root of 2 times 8, 16. So, equals sa 16 square root of 2 divided by 3. Okay? Tapos noon, pagsasama-samahin natin, ano? So, equals pi. And then times. So, meron tayong 48. Tapos negative 72. And then plus 64 over 3. And then 64 over 3, ano? 64 over 3 plus 64 over 3. And then negative 24. Ito naman, positive 18. So, plus 18. Negative 8 over 3. So, negative 8 over 3. And then negative 16 square root of 2 over 3. Okay. Meron tayong 64 over 3 plus 64 over 3. So, that's 128 over 3, no? And then, minus 8 over 3. So, 120 over 3. So, 120 over 3 equals 40, no? Plus 48. So, that's 88. And then, plus 18 equals 106, no? So, meron tayong pi, no? And then, times 106. So, ulitin ko ha. So, 64/3 plus 64/3. So, that's 128/3. Minus 8/3. 120 divided by 3. And that's 40. Plus 48, 88. And then plus 18, 106. Ano? And then, negative 72 plus negative 24, negative 96. So, minus 96. Minus 96. And then, minus 16, square root of 2/3. So, minus 16, square root of 2/3. Okay? So, we'll have pi. So, 106 minus 96 equals 10. So, times 10. And then, minus 16 square root of 2/3 cubic units. Para magandang tingnan yung ating sagot, yung pi lipat natin sa dulo. So, we'll have volume 2 equals 10 minus 16 square root of 2/3 and then times pi cubic units. So, ito yung ating volume 2, Okay, so pangyari nun, para makuha natin yung total volume, pagsasamahin natin yung volume 1 at saka volume 2. So, total volume na tayo. So, total volume equals volume 1 plus volume 2. So, total volume equals volume 1 plus volume 2. Yung volume 1 na nakuha natin ay 16 square root of 2/3 minus 2 times pi cubic units. So, kopyahin natin yun, So, 16 square root of 2/3 minus 2 times pi cubic units. So, yan yung ating volume 1. Ngayon, yung volume 2 naman natin ay 10 minus 16 square root of 2/3 times pi cubic units. So, plus 10, plus 10 minus 16 square root of 2/3 cubic units. So, times pi cubic units. So, ngayon, common factor yung pi. So, lalabas natin yung pi, So, I'll have 16 square root of 2/3 and then minus 2 and then plus 10 and then minus 16 square root of 2/3 and then times pi cubic units, times pi. So, cancel na yun yung 16 square root of 2/3, Meron tayong isang positive, meron tayong isang negative. So, cancel siya, So, natira natin ay 10 minus 2. And 10 minus 2 equals 8. So, magiging sagot natin, 8 pi cubic units, 8 pi cubic units. So, this is now the total volume of the whole solid, So, this is now the answer. 8 pi cubic units. So, yung volume 1, saka volume 2, pag pinagsama natin yung volume ng buong solid na na-generate ng plane area, ay equal siya sa 8 pi cubic units, So, volume 1 plus volume 2 equals 8 pi cubic units.